This is lecture 3. Lecture 3, from lecture 3, we first learn some important concepts. AEE, GPP, NPP. RA is autotrophic respiration. RH is heterotrophic respiration. For the land, we have to have big picture. Biomass. What are the biomass? That has close relationship with climate. You do your data analysis, you understand biosphere and atmosphere interaction. So then you can see what link between biomass and the climate. I will show you a flux data analysis from me, from my paper. Okay? How to understand this glucose? First, we want to understand a few very important concepts for the global warming from a biosphere. We call it gross primary production. Usually we call it GPP. What is the GPP? GPP is just the amount that is fixed from atmosphere, is fixed from the photosynthesis process by the plants that are converted from inorganic CO2 into carbohydrates during photosynthesis. It's called GPP. You want to have a big picture for the whole Earth. How much GPP is produced for the whole Earth? 120 gigaton carbon per year. Do you know what the concept for 1 gigaton? How many people on Earth? 7.8 billion. If we assume one person has a weight about 100 kilograms, more than 200 pounds, the total population, put them together, just 0.7 gigaton. It's not enough for 1 gigaton. However, the whole Earth can produce 120 gigaton per year. Yeah, that is GPP. GPP, so that's produced. That is energy. That's a high level energy. Who first used this energy? Plant itself. Plant will move the sugar produced on the leaves to any part of the plant, from a leaf of a tree to the branches, to the trunk, to the root. This transportation needs energy. That energy from GPP, they produce by themselves. This energy is used, then result inorganic carbon CO2, release CO2 to atmosphere and the water. Yeah. So this product we call plant respiration, just like us. Respiration, release CO2 into atmosphere. Yeah, this respiration is called autotrophic respiration. Yeah. So the left GPP will be used about half for themselves for the all the traffic respiration. Then another half we call them net primary production NPP. Do you see the tree? Yeah, you see the leaves, you see the branches, you see the trunk, you see the plants, you see the weeds. That is the NPP. Yeah, that's the GPP minus respiration, or the traffic respiration. That's a net primary production. You can see it. Yeah. However, this part was the process. Yeah, this part you see now is full. The the leaves of the tree will become yellow, will become colorful, will be fall down on the ground. So maybe there's some hurricane and strong wind, some branches will be broken, fall down on the ground. This is organic matter. You will see a lot of leaves collected on the campus, but now you cannot see it. You just stay at home, right? Yeah. Then these leaves will be gone in the next spring. They will be decomposed into inorganic carbon CO2 and released back to atmosphere. That is called heterotrophic respiration, right? For the grass, you see the horse, you see the bear, you see the deer, they will eat them, right? These NPP become the body of animals, right? Yeah, these animals will get out for the waste. The waste will be decomposed to release to atmosphere. Yeah. Animals, yeah, will die on the ground, will be decomposed into CO2 released to atmosphere. Only born that are the hard part to decompose. Yeah. Also, there's some very fast process. You see the California forest fire. This NPP directly is fired. Is directly is become inorganic carbon CO2 released to atmosphere. Yeah. Yeah, some like a wheat, maybe harvest become wine. Yeah, wine. Yeah. So you drink, then return back the inorganic carbon into atmosphere. So all this process you can see we caught inorganic heterotrophic respiration. That from organic become inorganic, return CO2 into atmosphere. Yeah. So here we make some very simple calculation for this biological process from atmosphere CO2 into organic matter, then return back to atmosphere into inorganic matter. Yeah. So eventually there is a net ecosystem production. We call the NEP. Yeah. That means net formulate inorganic matter. APP is a very, very important. Yeah, just annual plant growth is the difference between photosynthesis and autotrophic respiration. Photosynthesis, that means GPP, right? MPP is the friction of GPP, resulting in plant growth that can be measured through sequential harvest GPP, yeah, global terrestrial MPP, yeah. The formula is here. MPP is equal GPP minus autotrophic respiration. Net ecosystem production, NEP. NEP, that means biosphere, is the net gain. All net organic matter gain. Yeah. So the difference between NPP and heterotrophic respiration. Yeah. Heterotrophic respiration is complete by bacteria. This organic matter is decomposed by microbial community. Yeah. This is not by themselves. This is called heterotrophic respiration. Yeah. So this NEP is equal NPP minus heterotrophic respiration. NPP is equal GPP minus autotrophic respiration, then minus heterotrophic respiration. We put autotrophic respiration from plant themselves and heterotrophic respiration from the soil together. Trophic respiration. Yeah. So there's another concept we call NEE. What is the NEE? Net ecosystem and the change of CO2 with atmosphere. This NEP, that means biosphere net gain. NEE refers to the atmosphere, not the biosphere. Yeah. So there is a set sign of change. Yeah. So NE means net lose from atmosphere. Yeah. Because this carbon is transferred from atmosphere to the biosphere. Atmosphere lose is equal biosphere gain, right? Mass is conservation. Autotrophic respiration plus heterotrophic respiration is called total respiration. This total respiration we call ecosystem respiration.